On section 5.6, you may have noticed that I skipped over problem example 5 when I was working the problems. That's because this is a pre-AP problem. This is a rather complex, involved problem, so I want you to recognize this video is only on the pre-AP course. However, anyone is, of course, welcome to watch the video. When we look at this particular problem is not very easy to roll. I could end up taking this exponent log base 2 of all of this equals x minus 1. But the idea here is to solve, and what solve means is I need to isolate the letter x. Not an easy way to do that with rolling, but there was a property that said, I don't know if you remember, that if log base a of m equals log base a of n, then m is equal to n. Well, we can also work backwards. If I have m is equal to n, so here's the two pieces, I can work this as a log problem working by taking the log of both sides. Now, I don't know why we use the natural log, but we tend to use the natural log. Maybe it's just because it's fun to write natural log like that. I don't know. And also possibly because we have a lot of problems with the natural number e. But most people would take this problem and they would write the natural log of 2 to the x minus 1 equals the natural log of 5 to the 2x plus 3. So all I did is I took the log of both sides. Now we're going to start using some of our properties. I'm going to take this and throw it to the front. I'm going to take that exponent right here and I'm going to throw it to the front. That's going to give me x minus 1 times the natural log of 2. Remember, we wrote it as a product, equals 2x plus 3 times the natural log of 5. I threw this to the front as well. Because this is multiply, I'm allowed to distribute, and that's going to give me x natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 2 equals 2x natural log of 5 plus 3 natural log of 5. Now keep in mind what we're trying to do. We're trying to get x's by themselves. We're trying to get the x's together. And so I'm going to move this section to the left, and I'm going to move this section to the right. And that's going to give me x natural log of 2 minus 2x natural log of 5 equals the natural log of 2 plus 3 natural log of 5. Look at the problem here. What do they both have in common now? They both have an x. And so I'm going to take out the x, leaving me natural log of 2 minus 2 natural log of 5 equals the natural log of 2 plus 3 natural log of 5. If I want to isolate x now, all I have to do is divide both sides. So I'm going to write x equals the natural log of 2 plus 3 natural log of 5 divided by the natural log of 2 minus 2 times the natural log of 5. I can now type this into a calculator, natural log of 2 plus 3 natural log of 5, all over natural log of 2 minus 2 natural log of 5, and find the value of x. Could you combine here, throwing the 3 up to the top, making this the natural log of 250 divided by, throw this up, the natural log of 2 over 25. Let me write that out in case you're not sure what I just said. We throw this up to the top, making that 125 times 2, so it's the natural log of 250, divided by the natural log of 2 divided by 25. Yes, we could. Would we want to? I don't know. That's up to you. However, either way, when you put this in the calculator, now you can solve, whereas you couldn't solve in the original format. That's our complicated problem for section 5.6.